Hello students, in this video I would like to explain about worksheet 3 in the chapter 15 about handling data. So in this worksheet 3 we will learn about bar graphs. So let's take a look of number 1. The bar graph below shows the number of pupils in some school clubs. Study the graphs carefully and fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is bar graphs represent all the school club. There are adventure club, book club, debating club, and chess club. And the numbers here represent of how many students are there. Okay, so take a look of the interval. Look at the lowest number. There is 0 and the next number is 2. So between 0 and 2 there is 1, right? That's how you count it. So the question A, what club has the most number of pupils? So you can look at the bar graphs, which one that has the highest bar, which club that has highest bar data. It is Adventure Club, right? Yes, it is Adventure Club. And how many pupils are there? So take a look of the edge of the bar. The edge of the bar, okay, look at this one, okay, it points 24, right? Yeah, so that is how you do that. So there are 24 pupils in this club. Now question B, half of the pupils in the debating club are boys. There are how many girls in the debating club? So let's take a look of the debating club and what number it represent. Okay, look at the age. It is 20, right? So there are 20 pupils in debating club, right? And half of them are boys. So obviously half of the rest are girls. What is the half of 20? That is 10, right? So the answer is 10. Question C, there are 4 more pupils in the book club than in the look at the book club. What number it represents? Alright, so this is in the middle of 18 and 20. What number is that? It is 19, right? Alright, so since book club, there are 19 students in the book club and it is 4 more pupils. Then what club? So let's subtract 19 by 4 and you get 15. So which bar that represent 15? Okay, this is 15. Alright, so this bar represent 15. And what club is there? Is that? It is chess club. Okay, that is the answer of question C. Now question D, the total number of pupils in the adventure club and debating club is adventure and debating. So look at adventure club, okay, it is 24. And debating club, it is 20. So let's make the total. then that will be the answer of this. Okay, 24 plus 20, and that will be the answer. Just count. Now let's proceed to the next page. Okay, this is pictogram. Okay, the number of pages read by 5 children. Okay, so there are 5 children here, and these are the names. And each book symbol or each picture stands for 5. Right. So let's draw the bar graph using the data from the pictogram. Look at Mary. How many are there? So let's count. Mary, this is 5, 5, 5. Okay. So how many are there when you make a total? 15. 15 pages. So how to do? So mark 15, okay, and you get the limit. Then okay, here, yeah. Okay, then make the bar. Make the bar and fill it with color. Okay, do the same with the other children. Yeah, I think it's easy to do. So I will give it to you to do the bar graphs. Alright, so question A, who and who read a total of 30 pages altogether? Alright, so I think we should count how many pages does each children read. Okay, this is 10. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. So which one will make 30 if you make a total? Obviously this and this, right? Okay, just write the name here. Who are they? Joe and Brian. So Joe and Brian read a total of 30 pages altogether. How about B? If Mary read 10 more pages, she would have read the same number of pages as, look at Mary. Alright, so Mary read 15 pages. If you add 10 more pages, and it will be the same number like a lion. So that is the answer of question B. Next page. Okay, this is another type of bar graphs. Not only the vertical one, but it can be also drawn by in horizontal way. So number 3, the bar graphs below shows the number of kilograms of different types of vegetable sold on Saturday by a grocer. Alright. The names on the left represent the type of vegetables, and the numbers below represent the number of the kilograms. So this is how you read the graph. Look at the first one, lettuce. Okay, what number it represents? Alright, So look at the interval from 0 to 20. What is in the half? It is 10, right? So the interval is 10 by 10. So we can add them by 10. So we will know what number is in the middle of each number. Okay, 60, 70, 80, right? So lettuce has 70 kilogram. Okay. How about broccoli? It is 50. Carrot 60. Tomato 50. Look at the question A. The grocer sold 30 kilogram less spinach than carrots. 30 kilogram less than carrot. So spinach is 30 less than kilogram. So let's subtract. Let's subtract 60 by 30 because it's 30 kilogram less, right? And you get the number, the mass of spinach. Alright, that is 30. So which one is that? Between 20 and 40. So here it is. Then make the bar, make the bar and color it. Okay, that is how to do for question A. Question B, the grocer sold how many kilograms of tomatoes? Okay, so it already write that, the number of the tomato. And question C, how many kilograms of broccoli and carrots were all sold together? Carrot and broccoli just then make the total, yeah, 50 plus 60. Now, question D, there were how many kilogram more lettuce sold than spinach? Lettuce than spinach. Okay, the difference. Lettuce 70, spinach is 30. So 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30. Which one? Yeah? Lettuce and spinach. Oh, question D. 70 minus 30. Okay, count it by yourself. Now question E. The grocer sold the same amount of okay, what are the vegetable that has the same amount? This one and this one. Okay, what are they? Okay, fill it by yourself. Now question F. The grocer sold how many kilogram of vegetable all together? Alright, so let's count them all. 70 plus 50 plus 60 plus 50 plus 30. And you got the answer. Question G. Another grocer sold twice the amount of lettuce. Twice amount of lettuce. Okay, what is double 70? Lettuce is 70, right? And it is twice the amount of the lettuce. So it means the double of 70, or 70 plus 70, or 70 plus times 2. It's the same. That will give you the same answer. Alright? So let's proceed to the next page. Number 4. The two bar graphs below show the number of times 6 pupils drop a dollar coin in their coin bank over a particular month. Okay, so this is the three first pupil, Jeremy, Sela, and Leon, and the other three pupils. Okay, it hasn't been drawn yet, yeah. The bars, their bars, haven't been drawn yet. So let's take a look of the information. Matt saved $8 more than Katie. Okay, Matt saved eight more than Katie. So let's count how many did Matt save. Okay, look at this one. It represents 28, and it is 8 more than Katie, so Katie is less than Matt. So 28 minus 8. 28 minus 8. Okay, then is 20, right? 20, and mark this one here. Okay, and then you got the bar. Then don't forget to color it. And then Andrea. Okay, Matt saved 13 more than Andrea. So subtract it by 13. Subtract it by 13 and then draw it by yourself, okay? For Andrea. Okay, now using the data from the two graphs, complete the frequency. Jeremy, okay. So you just fill in the table by looking the graph. So for example, Jeremy saved 30, right? So write down 30 here. Okay, do the same with the other pupils. Alright, so this is putting it together one. Okay, this is the frequency table. Okay, in worksheet 1 we have learned about this, yeah, how to count the tally. So this is the complete tally and it costs 5, and each line represent 1. So there are 3 lines. Just add them and that will be the number. Okay, do the same with the other. Now, which participants are tied for the first place? Which participants are tied for the first place? This is the frequency table of the number of questions each participant answered correctly. Okay, the first place, it means the highest number, right? The highest number or the highest score. Who got highest score? There are 2 people, I think, because this one and this one has the same number and they are the highest. So that will be the answer for here. Question B, how many more questions did Jennifer answer correctly than Cassie? Jennifer, then Cassie, okay? Cassie is 7, right? How many more questions? It means the difference. So find the difference by subtracting the greater by the smaller. And that will be the answer for here, yeah? The greater is 8, the smaller is 7, and then subtract them, and you get the answer. Question C, how many more questions does Casey need to answer correctly because she can catch up with Melissa? Casey got 7, and Melissa got 10. So how many more can Casey does Casey need to answer to get 10? Yeah, 7 to get 10, you have to add it by, that will be the answer for question C. If there were 15 questions in the quiz so far, how many questions did Jeff answer incorrectly? Look at Jeff. He got 9, right? And there are 15 questions in the quiz. And he answered correctly. He answered 9 questions correctly. And how many incorrect answers? Okay, that is how you do. By subtracting 15 by 9. Alright. Then number 2, the frequency table below shows the number of toys sold in a toy shop in a particular week. Okay, there are toys here, and these are the number. Okay, complete the pictogram using the data in the frequency table. I will make one example for you. Look at the symbol. We will use a circle to fill the pictogram, and each circle stands for 2 toys. Alright, so take a look of skipping rope. There are 7, yeah. Okay, there are 7 skipping rope. Alright, so each circle represent 2. If I draw 2 circles, it means we already have 4. And add another circle, we have 6. Okay. We need 1 more to get 7, right? But each circle stands for 2. So we need a half circle to do that. Yeah. Because half of 2 is 1. So the symbol, we remove a half also for the symbol. Okay, that is how to do the pictogram. Do the rest, yeah. The other toys, for the other toys. Which is the most popular toys? Okay, look at the highest number here, and that is toy car. The least popular toy, which one is the smallest number? Okay, now see how many drums and skipping rope were sold altogether. Drums are 8, skipping rope 7. Drums are 8, skipping rope 7. All together means you add them, and that will be the answer. Next page, number 3, the bar graph below shows the number of grapes eaten by 4 children. Using the information below it, complete the bar graph by filling in the missing names and drawing Tom's bar. Then answer the question that follow. Number of grapes eaten by 4 children. So 3 children name are blank. We only have Tom here. And look at the information. Sima ate 4 fewer grapes than Albert. Okay, so let's count the bar, what number each bar represent. And the first bar we have 8, yeah. Oh wait, we have 8, and the second one between 10 and 12. What number is between 10 and 12? It is 11. And the third one is 4. Right, Sima ate 4 fewer grapes than Albert. 4 fewer grapes. Okay. So 8 is not 4 fewer, right? 4 less than 11. What is 4 less? The number that has connected by 4 less. 8 and 4, right? 4 is 4 less than 8. So Sima ate 4 less grapes. So it must be Sima. And this one is Albert. Albert and Harry ate 18 grapes together. When you add 8 by 11, you get 18, right? So this is Harry. Okay. And Sima and Tom ate 10 grapes altogether. Sima has 4, and Tom, we should draw the line. The bar. So what number will make 10 when you add it by 4? 4 has to be added by what to get 10? 4 plus 6, right? Yeah. Here, it should be here. And this is Tom's graph. Take a look of the questions. Who ate the most number of grapes? Okay, obviously you can decide which one is the highest bar. The least number for question B. Okay, that has the shortest bar. Now question C. Who ate double the number of grapes that Sima ate? What is double 4? It is 8, right? And who ate 8 grapes? It is Albert. Okay, so question C is Albert. Question D, how many grapes did the children eat all together? How many grapes did the children eat all together? So let's add them all. Albert, Harry, Sima, and Tom. 8 plus 11 plus 4 plus 6. And that will be the answer. Okay. Then there were 4 bunches of grapes at first. Each bunch has 10 grapes. Alright. Okay. This is a bunch, 4 bunch of grapes. Each one has 10 grapes. And how many grapes are there? You can multiply or you can add, but adding is such a tired things. So just multiply 4 by 10 and you get 40. Okay. And how many grapes were left over? And how? Okay, that is the question. That is the question. So you have to subtract it by the grapes that were eaten. How many grapes that were eaten? Put here, yeah. Because you have already answered that in the question D. So you put here, and then after subtracting, and that will be the answer for question E. Then next page, this is pictogram. Okay, the number of who visited a post office. Each envelope stands for 5 people. Use the data from the pictogram to complete the bar graph below. Then answer the question that follow. Look at the Monday. How many envelopes are there? So each envelope represents 5, and how many envelopes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is multiplication? The 10th multiplication of 5, or 5 times 10 equals 50. So we have 50 for Monday, and how to draw the line, the bar. This is 50, okay. Then this is the bar for Monday. Do the rest. Do it for the other days. Yeah, just like what I did. Now question A: which day was the post office the busiest? Okay, which one that has the most number of envelope? That is Monday. And which day was the post office closed? Okay, so it is obvious, right? Because Sunday doesn't have any envelope, so it must be closed on that day. So the answer for B is Sunday. Okay, now this is putting it together too. Tim and John use a spinner marked with 4 different colors. They spun the spinner and noted which color it landed on by using a tally chart. Their result are shown below. Fill in the frequency column. Color the circle to show the spinner that you think Tim and John might have. Okay, so they spun the spinner and noted which color it landed on by using tally chart. Okay, since that all of them has the same frequency, right? Because red has 5, blue has 5, green has 5, yellow has 5 as well. So how to color the circle? This is the spinner. Since it is 4, then we have to divide the circle by 4. We divide 4 equal parts, and then let's circle them. Red here, then blue here, green here, and yellow here. Alright, Tim and John choose another spinner. The table below shows their new result. Color the circle to show a spinner that you think Tim and John might have used. Okay, purple 10, orange 5, pink 5. Alright, so orange and pink has equal parts, and purple has a double part of then has a double twice part than the others. Alright. Oh wait, this is not really in the middle. Okay, so actually this one is one part, yeah. Orange and pink. Orange and pink. But purple has double parts. So it seems it's just the same like if we make two of them, orange and pink, yeah. Because so purple has the same same field like orange and pink all together. Okay. Then the last page. Look at the table below. Number of pages in books. Type of books, dictionary, textbook. Okay, this is the type of the books and the number of pages. Min wants to present the data in a bar graph. Should she use a scale which in multiples 2 or 5 or 10? Why? Look at the interval of the numbers. The lowest is 90 and the highest is 180. The other is in the tens place, right? Yeah, tens place. Because it is 90, 110, 110, 140, 180. So, which scale should she use? The multiples of 2, 5, or 10? I think it's better. Okay, mark my words, yeah. It's better if she use the scale. Okay, write this up. She should use a scale in multiples of 10. Okay, I repeat. She used a scale in multiples of 10 because the number of pages given are in the multiplication of 10. Okay, I repeat. She should use a scale in multiples of 10 because the number of pages given are in a multiplication of 10. Okay, that is the answer. Repeat the video if you missed that one, yeah. Okay, that's all my explanation. I hope you can study well for the final test. Good luck for the test.